Manchester City versus Manchester United. Now, I'm not watching it, fam. Not watching it. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. This is your boy Rome. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Do it not cost anything. Completely economical. Just hit a subscribe. Manchester City versus Manchester United. Will we talk about it? Nah. What we're going to talk about today is Manchester United's failures in the forward line and what can we do to present a decent strike force for next season. You know, the players that we'll be talking about today is going to bring us a lot of flair, a lot of strength, and a whole heap of know where the goal is type of strikers. So before we go any further, people, please, again, drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Listen, people, I will not talk about Manchester City versus Manchester United this weekend. I probably won't even watch a game because a game is at 10:30. I'll be playing soccer during that time, and I don't really feel like cutting the game short to watch Manchester City literally rape Manchester United this weekend. I don't want to mess up my weekend and mess up my week by watching that game. I'm hoping Manchester United can pull off a win, but I don't want to watch it. I will not be streaming. I don't want to watch it. That's final. However, yesterday I spoke about the two players that we were in the shot that I made yesterday about the two players that we should be seeing in our striking. One of the two players that should be in our starting lineup next season. So today we will talk about them individually in some detail. Right? We'll be talking about them individually and similarities between them two. It's going to be a short video, very short video about the players who I think Manchester United should be interested in. But before we go any further, listen, we don't want to talk about Oshiman anymore. Yes, I rate Oshiman. Yes, I watch Napoli. Yes, he won the league last year. But everybody will be streaming for Oshiman. Everybody will be streaming for Vlahovic. Everybody will be streaming for them. I want the unknown. And to be fair, these two players are slowly becoming very known as well. But we will talk about them. First things first, Victor Boniface. Victor Boniface just came onto the fore. Now he was playing for Union Gyokeres or something like that. And as I said, I saw him. I think I went to Real Madrid or something like that. And he was just messing the team up, man. He was messing the game up. He was so good. I was like, this you looks so. It's like he have something like for him, you know. It looks like he has something for him. I don't know how good he was until he came and started playing for Leverkusen this season. Now, as you know, Bayern Leverkusen is being coached by Xavier Alonso, and I thought, listen, this looks like something that we can work with. He kept scoring goal after goal, game after game, assist, game after game. And I thought, hey, this youth look good enough, man. I'm not going to lie. He looked like something you can put your name on. He's injured just before the African Cup of Nations. He plays for Nigeria, got injured, hasn't played since. I think he might be out for another 2 or 3 weeks. I'm not sure, but I do think that there's something about Boniface. I can see him playing for Manchester United. But Boniface is strong when it comes to controlling and holding on to the ball. When Van Dijk and other defenders come on him, push them off easily. He's very strong. His control is very slick as well. He can when he control as a means to an end. That's what they tell you when you're in a primary school. Control as a means to an end. When he controls, he has space and time to pass the ball. He doesn't control and then let me control it first and then pass it. He controls it so he can pay it, and that's very good. I think Boniface is good in terms of his transition as well. Because his transition speed is very good. It's quick on the ball. And when we talk about picking a pass and transition, perfect. And like that about the new strikers that are coming in. It's not just the regular, let me be a fox in the box type of striker. He's the overall type of striker. one that can transition, one that can hold the ball, one that can play the poacher in the box, and I like that about him. So again, Boniface, Victor fucking Boniface. He's playing for Bayern Leverkusen right now. They're ahead of the league, 8 points ahead of the league, I think, and it might cost anywhere from 60 to 80 million. But I do think Victor Boniface. Remember the name, Manchester United. Go get him. Go fucking get him. And the next one is Victor Gyokeres, Gyokeres, whatever you want to call it. He's Swedish. I thought he was Greek, but no, the man is Swedish. And I'm telling you right now, this man, you see him celebration? So sick. Oh, and Victor Boniface celebration. Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, Victor Gyokeres. I think his own game is so good. No, he's scoring goals for fun, man. This man has what? 32 games this season. So good. 32 goals this season alone. Assists, 10 already. 10 assists already. And that's just him hold on to the ball and then pass it right in the place for someone to score. He is so good at setting up his team and also setting up goals for himself. The man his overall game is extremely good. I'm not going to lie. Now we talk about Victor Boniface a while ago. Now Victor Gyokeres is a different matter. Victor Gyokeres is a different matter. He's Swedish, and believe me when we tell you this right now, Manchester United, get 100 mil, put it on him, and the argument done, because he will save Manchester, bring us back to the top without a shadow of a doubt. Bring us back to the top. Victor Gyokeres. Remember me tell you that. Swedish with him and Holland. Oh, what a team! What a strike force! I don't matter no matter what you want to bring, but oh my god, that would be so sick. Victor Gyokeres, this man, and he's playing for Sporting Lisbon. Sporting Lisbon was, I think, 1 point or 2 points ahead of the league in Portugal right now. Listen me, man. Listen me, good people. Victor Gyokeres is another option, the best option we have right now. Bring him in. Bring him in. Bring him in. As opposed to now with regards to Manchester United versus Manchester City this week at Manchester City, I don't know. And I don't care. You might get a 6 love, you might get a 4 love, you might get a 1 love, or you might win it. Or it might draw. Who knows? At this point, I don't care, fam. I don't fucking care, blood. But Manchester United all the way. I give up on the season already. Let's hope we can make that for. If not, whatever, fam. Whatever. People, best of yourself, best of others. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. My name is Rome. Manaz.